Well, hello kids. Welcome to the Dill Learning channel. Today we're doing math, recognizing numbers 10 through 20. Recognizing numbers 10 through 20. This is a highly requested video because what our feedback is that children are not able to say their numbers 10 through 20 correctly. It's kind of tricky because some of the numbers after 10 are said a certain way, and the remainder of those numbers are spoken in another way. Also, recognizing them and writing them. Sometimes the kids are writing them backwards. So today we are actually going to recognize these numbers and say them out loud, okay? And then I will, at the end of the lesson, popcorn. Popcorn means that I will say them out of order so that you can practice them out of order. So let's go ahead and look at the number 10. This number is 10. Okay? The next number is 11. The next number is 12. The next number is 13. Let's stop. Once you get to 13, you start saying the word teen at the end. So 10, 11, and 12 are called special math numbers. Some people refer them as to special math numbers after 10 because they are spoken in a different way. So if I say 10, 11, 12, those three numbers are not spoken the same way as 13 through 19. Once you hit 13, you will start saying teen after it, okay? So let's just go ahead and say all of the numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's stop. Because our last number out of the block that we're learning today is also spoken differently. It is 20, and I have typed that in separately so that we can recognize that this number is also spoken differently. So let's go ahead and underline the three numbers that are not spoken the same way. Okay? And then we'll circle 20 because we know that one is spoken in a different way as well. And the ones that are not underlined, they are all said the same way. So we're going to chunk this out. Let's go ahead and focus on 13 through 19. Anything between 13 and 19 has the word teen at the end. Teen. So let's practice that. Say teen. Teen. So let's just focus on the teen numbers. That would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's just look at the teen numbers again. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, if you notice, I was pointing at the second number, not the one. The reason why, an easy way to remember is 3 is 14, 4, 15, 5, 16, 6, 17, 7, 18, 8, 19, 9. So guess what? You're just putting a teen after the number that you're speaking. So 13, 14, and 15 have a little bit of a different, well, actually 13 and 15 have a little bit of a different saying when you say that second number. But one way that kids can remember is pointing to this second number to remind them. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's do that one more time because practice to me means a lot. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, we chunked out the teens. Let's go back and practice the first three special numbers starting with 10 to 12. 10, 11, 12. There is really no trick or clue with these. You just have to remember. 10, 11, 12. Again. 10, 11, 12. Again. 10, 11, 12. One more time. 10, 11, 12. Now let's go down to the circled number. 20. Kids love this number. For some reason they can remember 20. 20. Okay? So that number is 20. 20. Let's chunk it out and go back to our first three numbers. 10, 11, 12. Now our teen numbers. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is our hooray number. We made it to 20. We're able to count to 20. Okay, here we go. Let's try. We're chunking the first three special numbers after 10. 10, 11, 12. Teen numbers. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hooray! We made it to 20. Now let's say them all together 3 times in a row. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to do it one more time. Here we go. You're awesome. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's see if you can do it 2 times by yourself without me saying a word. Here we go. Great job. One more time by yourself. You are fabulous. You can also freeze the screen and or pause the screen and practice as well. We are so happy that you have joined in to learn how to recognize your numbers from 10 to 20. And let's go ahead and popcorn out of order these numbers. That's what I'm going to teach you right now. So here we go. 17, 15, 16, 12, 10, 11, 14, 18, 19, 13, 20. Let's see if I can popcorn again. Now, the reason for popcorning is because when you get tested in school, they're going to ask you your numbers out of order. So let's just practice the popcorn method again. I'm going to point to any numbers and you would see if we can say our numbers together. 16, 10, 15, 11, 18, 13, 17, 12, 20, 14, 19. Let's do that one more time and then you'll try to popcorn by yourself. Get ready? 11, 15, 10, 16, 18, 17, 20, 12, 19, 13, 14. Alrighty. And I got a little doodly right there, but that's okay. You guys get the gist of it and the idea. Let's see if you can popcorn by yourself. I'll erase that later. Here we go, and great job. And again, I'm sorry for this doodly. No one's perfect, and that's good for you guys to see. I just didn't want to pause and erase it because then it would have messed up the lesson. But anyways, thank you for joining in. I enjoy teaching and learning with you. You guys are so super awesome. Go ahead and use the video as much as you possibly can, because guess what? Learning is always the best policy when it comes to being successful. Thank you for joining in, and I can't wait to learn with you next time. Goodbye.